This is a recent headband I made using Red Heart Super Saver. Look at that stitches. I'm going to use the thinner yarn. This is cotton hem and hem mix and 3.5 mm crochet hook. So let us make a chain 10 and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's almost like this width. So in the second chain from hook, that is this is the first chain, this is the second chain, and from the second chain from hook I am going to make a single crochet. So I'm going to make a single crochet all across. 1, 2, 8 and 9, right? Now I'm going to make a chain 1, turn the work, make 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then chain 1, skip the next stitch and make a single crochet in the next one. Then chain 1, skip the next stitch, make a single crochet in the next one. Chain 1, skip the next one and make 1 single crochet over here. Then chain 1, skip this one and make the last single crochet over the turning chain. Okay, now we are going to chain 1, then turn the work, then make a half double crochet in the first stitch. Then there is a chain 1 space here, so in that chain 1 space I am going to make 3 double crochet together. Double crochet together is yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. It's a little loose over there, so tighten that one. Yarn over hook, insert the hook in the chain 1 space, bring up a loop, yarn over hook and go through the first 2 loops on the hook. We are leaving that 2 loops on the hook itself, then going to do one more time and yarn over hook and go through the first 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. We are going to one more time yarn over, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops on the hook. We have 4 loops on the hook now. Now I'm going to yarn over and go through all the 4 loops and then a chain 1. Then I'm going to the next chain 1 space. Stretch a little bit that your work and you can see that. Again make a 3 double crochet together or make a cluster of 3 double crochet. Yarn over hook and go through the 4 loops all once and chain 1. Then in the next one another cluster of 3 double crochet together and chain 1. Then there is one more chain 1 space, so we are going to make one more cluster there. Now we have only 1 stitch remaining, that's the last one, so we are not going to make a chain 1 now. Just make a half double crochet in the last stitch. Say 1, 2, 3, 4 clusters. Now I'm going to chain 1 and the repeat the single crochet chain 1 row. So single crochet in the first stitch itself, then chain 1, and we are skipping this cluster and going between these two clusters to make a single crochet. Chain 1, again chain 1, make a single crochet between the next two clusters. Now chain 1, and there is no space between there, so we are going to make last single crochet on that first double crochet of the previous row. Now we are going to chain 1, turn, make a half double crochet, and this is the cluster row repeat. So make a 3 double crochet cluster, chain 1, then again to see that a chain 1 space you have to stretch it a little bit and see. This is the last cluster we are going to make in this row, so there is no need to make a chain 1 in the last. After the last cluster you make a half double crochet. So go ahead and repeat the 2 rows, the single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, make the single crochet next stitch, and the cluster rows. Then make it according to the length you needed, then we will meet again. Now the headband is finished and I joined the 2 sides together. Now if you need, you can give an edging. We'll try making single crochet edgings with the chain 1, single crochet in the next one, chain 1, how is it going? Not bad. So single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the next available stitch, like that. Or you can do something attach the yarn there, then 1 more single crochet, then 1, 2 chains, go to the next space, so we are leaving this cluster out, then chain 2, leave this cluster out, this is easy. So single crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the next space between these clusters. I think this is better. When you finish, you just join to the first single crochet and then cut it off. Now you do the other end too the same way, then weave both ends to weave the yarn tails. That's it for the headband. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel so you will know when the next video is uploaded. I will upload Tuesdays and Thursdays new videos, and Saturday and Sunday the left-handed version of those videos as well. Thanks for watching. Next time I will show you a variation of this same stitch. So subscribe to my channel. When it is ready you will be notified. Bye bye.